Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be an unboxing of my new Galen leather Hobonichi Weeks cover. I am not quite sure how to pronounce their company. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering it. Is it Galen or Galen? But it is from Turkey. I did not know this until the item shipped. And I've been wanting a zip cover for my Hobonichi Weeks for the longest time. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I have gone through so many different covers time and time again. It's just, I don't know. I wanted something zip, and I was leaning towards the Hobonichi zip ones, and I really wanted the forbidden fruit, but I just didn't quite find one in a good price. So I remember Galen made zip ones, so that's this. One of my good friends, Janice, also ordered, I think, a pen case almost the same time I did, and hers arrived just a couple hours before mine, so that was very interesting. And with my order, this came with a little pouch, and Janice was just like, there's gonna be things and you're gonna be very surprised. So the first one is this card right here. It says Charming Charm, Evil Eye Bead. Fall in love, forget name, and from me. And then you get this little card. Is it handwritten? This is so cool. Okay, so the next thing in here is, ooh, this is nice. It's like a sticker, but it's very nice. It's like a vinyl sticker. We have these, a 10% off coupon. And then the Evil Eye Charm. Ooh, that's very nice. Look at that. That's very cute. We got Refreshing Towel and Gardenia. It's gonna smell really nice. A tea, or no, it's coffee. And then you have Earl Grey tea. That's exciting. Thank you so much for all that extra stuff, including this little pouch. Sidebar, I know Charmaine also purchased, I think the day after I did, and she also got a Weeks that isn't the zip, it's just like the fold over, and I love how it looks like. I think it's the undyed, so if you guys want to see it, I'll have her channel linked down below. Alright, let's go back to the unboxing. Let's just put all of these together. So this is my order. It came in this box. Alright, there we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's a leather, like how you think leather would feel, and very smooth. I love how this feels. It's larger than I thought, so it's almost like it could fit standard size stuff, but I'm gonna put my Hobonichi Weeks in here. Alright, we're gonna move things because I don't have enough room here. So this is the cover, and this is what it looks like inside. Very nice. And then you have a pen loop here, which is very important for me because I'm very specific with the pens that I use for my Hobonichi Weeks. You have a lot of card slots here, pocket here, one big pocket there, and then this secretarial pocket. This feels like a mesh. You can see my fingers through, and it lays flat. I think that was a big deal for me, was finding something that lays flat. Alright, so I brought the pen that I'm currently using, my Hobonichi Cousins here, just as a size comparison. And then, okay, it is much larger than I thought it would be. That's a lot of room, which I am very happy about because I tend to buy these tabs. I think, what are they called? Like the tabs that go up here and then here from Type A for Alexa, her dividers. So I'm so scared that I wouldn't be able to use them. And the reason that I wanted a cover like this was because I have a bunch of these things that I need to keep with me at all times, and it's currently bulking up the planner. Let's see how that works. And I currently have the clear cover in here also. Yep, put it all the way as far as I can get it, and then that's what it currently looks like. It's kind of chunky already, but that's probably the plastic cover. Yeah, and I am not planning on stickering too much. Oh, there's a pocket back here. I didn't even notice that. It's very, very nice. I like it. I'm gonna put some of these here. The reason that I also bought this was because I needed somewhere to house all of the cards that I am not using all the time, but I want to keep with me whenever I bring my purse, and something to house all of these other things that I use for work as well. As just a comparison in size, this is almost the same height as my Hobonichi cousin cover. Like, that's very interesting. It's really, really tall. I mean, not too tall. It's not like overbearing tall, but there's room for growth. I'll have Galen Leather's website linked down below, so you guys can check them out. A lot of the things that I was looking at were sold out or unavailable, but these are custom made, so just make sure you keep coming back to the website. This is the color I wanted, but there was also some sort of brown that's similar to this that I really wanted, so maybe my next purchase would be that one. But all right, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.